Problems based on position-velocity relation. A stone is thrown in a vertically upward direction with a velocity of 5 meters per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meters per second square in the downward direction, what will be the height attained by the stone and how much time will it take to reach there? Let us see the given data. Downward acceleration is given as 10 meters per second square. Since it is in downward direction, it becomes a negative acceleration as the velocity is decreasing from 5 meters per second to 0. From the figure, we can make out the given data as when the stone is in downward direction, u is equal to 5 meters per second, v is equal to 0, and acceleration is a negative acceleration minus 10 meters per second square. From position velocity relation, we know v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So here v square is 0 and u square is 5 meters per second whole square, which is 2 into minus 10 meters per second square into distance which we do not know, which is s. So this distance is s and the time taken for this distance is t. On solving, we get minus 25 meters square per second square, which is minus 20 meter per second square into s. S is the distance. So now minus minus gets cancelled. So therefore s is equal to 25 meters square per second square into 1 by 20 meter per second square. So on cancellation, 5 4s, 5 5s, which becomes 5 by 4 meter, which is nothing but 1.25 meter. So the distance is 1.25 meter. Now going to the upward direction, since we need to find out the time taken in upward direction, we know that u is equal to 0, v is equal to 5 meters per second, and s, we just found the distance, whether it is upward or downward, distance is the same, which is 5 by 4 meter. Using position velocity relationship, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, wherein 5 meter per second whole square minus 0 is equal to a is unknown, a into s is 5 by 4. 2 2's, which is 5 by 2a. Hence a is equal to 25 meters square by second square into 2 by 5. So 5 5's, hence we get a as 10 meter per second square. This is the acceleration in upward motion. Now that we know the acceleration and initial and final velocities, we can use the relationship v is equal to u plus at to find the time taken. So v is 5 meters per second, u is 0, a is 10 meters per second square, and t. Hence, t is equal to 5 meters per second into 1 by 10 meter per second square, which is nothing but 5 2's, so 1 by 2 seconds, which is 0.5 second. Hence the time taken for the stone to reach top is 0.5 seconds.